Hi guys and welcome. In this clip I will show you a technique with our Defender for control the opponent. Some people like that, so I will show you which technique you can use. This is really effective, yes. It's a super tool and so you have nothing later. So in this clip he grabbed me, yes, and then I go to a control technique. I hope you will enjoy that. So when you see our first clip, what we did last week, remember we have here to release and go back and control the distance. Here we use the same technique, but we put a little bit more inside. I show the application and then I will go to the details. So he grabbed me. First I make this one, you see? He release here, he open here the hand. This is a normal reflex. But now I don't push him, I use a manipulation. Yes, I use here the manipulation and go direct here to the face. You see? My hands over the mouth and control the nose. And then I go in here. You see? This is nothing, but it's really painful. You see? And then I bring him down. Okay, you like to fight? Stay. I let it. Okay. You see? Here, all is really painful. Yes, you see that. But later he's red, that's it, not more. For me it's really important I have an effective technique for this situation. I can control it and maybe I can do everything with that, but it's really effective this way. Okay, he grabbed me. First, I have to give up my hands because I don't know he wants to punch me. But when I have this one, I feel it. One, this one, you see? I push him here. Together with my arm, one, go immediately there, you see? I have this movement, slowly, one, and go there. It's like a little bit punch, not too much, because when you hit too hard, maybe the blood comes outside of the nose, here. And then I go here inside. Yes, you can push in this way, all is painful, yes? And then I control, yes? And then you can control in this position. You guys like also to fight against me when you have multiple attackers, or you bring him on the ground. Yeah, and you see, I control here with my leg, he cannot go. I have control. Yes? When he punch, I give him more pain, or I can hit him also. But here, you see, is a good point to control. I let my hands there, it's not possible to bite me. And I have here with my knife control. You see, it's simple, and you can hear his pain. He is a little bit red, but that's it. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this variation of our technique. We have much more. This is a nice thing. In the next year, we make also a multiplier course for that, and everybody can learn our techniques, and you can teach that later. When you like it, you share our clip, you give us a thumb, comments, many things, and when you like, you can follow us. Thank you to watch, and watch the next clip.